Welcome back to Instables. It looks like ZOM had a crazy breakout today from 50 cents all the way up to 67 cents on the day. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for this one to continue. What exact indicators are we looking out for on a possible continuation here? And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And I'll ask in return as you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I want to go over ZOM with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I want to go over exactly what we're looking out here for. And the reason why I want to go over ZOM, going to extended hours, after extended hours, we actually spiked back up, as you guys can see here, looking to see if we can continue. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue. But again, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts today. We mentioned RGC at $23.70 this morning in pre-market, and they jumped all the way up to $60 on the day, up over 100% breakout on the day. We mentioned TKT at $7.37, jumping all the way up to $12.50 on the day. And the last one that we mentioned that was a major breakout was ADTX in pre-market from the news they had at $2.65, jumping all the way up to $4 on the day on ADTX. So again, if you guys want to see all of these penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day. So you can see here on the 5-minute chart, we have been continuously bouncing off the 20-day moving average. And again, the 20-day moving average here is the yellow line and the 50-day moving average here is the red. And we are looking to make sure we can get the 20-day moving average to stay above the 50-day. Again, if we get the 20-day moving average to cross below it, then we could have a continuation sell-off. Again, we are having a breakout on no news. But however, as you guys can see, going to extended hours, you guys can see we did have this 20-day moving average testing the 50-day moving average. And as you guys can see, we have the 20-day moving average that bounced off the 50-day moving average going to extended hours. Looking to see if we can continue. Again, I wanted to mention this because we had a nice break going to extended hours and we could have a continuation. Now, going to extended hours, going to tomorrow, I do want to see if ZOM can hold above 65 cents going to tomorrow. And I'm going to back up to the 4 hours so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. And again, we have a very key points that I want to mention here. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we have the 20-day moving average still below the 50, looking more bearish than bullish overall in this chart. Again, we have been continuously selling off. Again, this is not a news play, so we're not exactly expecting a major run here on ZOM. However, this one is very volatile. We could have a continuation. And as you guys can see, we are looking to see if we can test this 73 cent mark that we had a continuation sell off from. And if we can get over 73 cents, then we could test this 84 cent mark, as you guys can see here on the VPVR, showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period, showing us these very key points to make sure we can break above going to tomorrow. And as you guys can see, going tomorrow, we're going to look to see if we can hold over 65 cents. And if we can break continue highs with volume, as you guys can see, we have our volume point that we had today. We're looking to see if we can break above it. I'm going to go into the 5 minutes so you guys can see what we're looking out for here and what exact alert I would be setting. So you guys can see we do have our previous volume spike here. I would be setting my volume alert right above this previous volume point. But here on the MACD, I want to show you guys that we are decreasing in sell pressure, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure. And we're looking to see if we can get the EMA lines to cross back above the MACD. And also you guys can see going to extended hours, that's exactly what did happen. We actually got the EMA lines to cross back above the MACD. And we got that increase in buy pressure, looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure point to get that continuation, in my opinion. So going into pre-market, we are going to be looking for this buy pressure to break above our previous buy pressure point here. But as you guys can see here, we are going to be looking to see if we can continue on up above our 73 cent mark and major rejection that we had previously on this major sell-off that we had here on ZOM. But again, ZOM definitely on the watch, a lot of volatility and a ton of volume that has been coming in today. And again, we could see a major breakout going to tomorrow. We're going to see what happens going to pre-market. Definitely on the watch going to pre-market. And if we do have a major spike, something does happen here, then of course I will be alerting this one in the Instables room. And again, with that said, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert to begin. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.